Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You sign into accounts. Google. Com, and once authenticated, go straight to the circular profile image at the top right. This is where your stored photo lives. Click it and choose Manage your Google account to open the profile panel. You do this because the photo shown is linked to your account's personal info, so accessing profile edits is the correct path. Make sure two-step verification isn't blocking edits. If it is, complete the prompt and return to the profile area to continue. Once in personal info, locate photo and click the avatar to display the largest available version. The goal is to capture the highest resolution copy. Right-click that image and pick Save Image as, or use your browser's Save option from the three-dot menu. This writes the file to your device. Choose a clear folder and a meaningful file name and confirm the extension is JPG or PNG for broad compatibility. Doing this preserves metadata and avoids screenshot compression, which is why you save the actual image file. Complete the process by opening the saved file to confirm the resolution and detail meet your needs. If it looks cropped or low-res, try downloading again from the profile photo viewer. If the right-click save is disabled, open Developer Tools, locate the image URL in Elements, then paste that URL into a new tab and save the image directly. If you cannot access the photo at all, make sure you are signed into the correct account and that account privacy settings aren't restricting access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.